Hello students, 7th month English, in which we show the chapter The Tiger or a Lady. The chapter was written by Frank Richard Stockton. The chapter is about semi-barbarism. What is semi-barbarism? That we already learned. Some kind of rules or some kind of law that are not dependent on a particular country, but it was a mixture of two countries' rule, mixture of two countries' law. It is called semi-barbarism. And in this nation where the king lived, he followed the rule of semi-barbarism in which there some rules of the Latin country and some rules of his own country. And the punishment given by the king, the way of giving punishment is completely changed. Normally, the prisoner or a criminal get punishment by the king, like he should be go out from the town, he should be turned on the and etc. Prison, he should be paid some money. That kind of punishment normally given in the enemy country if someone did crime, if someone did mistake. But in this country, it means where the king lived. In this country, the giving punishment style is totally different than what the king did. The king taken the criminal into a large area where there is two doors. Behind one door there is a beautiful girl. Behind the second door there is a tiger. And the criminal or a prisoner has to choose the door. If he is lucky, give him support, he chooses a door where there is a girl. He should marry with him. He should marry with her. And if his love is not supported him, and he chose the door where there is a tiger. The tiger was very fierce, very hungry, and the tiger could eat the criminal. In this case, the princess, it means king's own girl, king's own daughter, fell in love with a soldier who was working in his army. And how was he looked? The soldier was very beautiful, a fair skin, handsome, every kind he was perfect. At that time, he was falling in love with the princess, and the princess also fall in love with a soldier. But unfortunately, their love are not going ahead because the king come to know that the princess fall in love with a normal person, and he could not digest it, and that's why he presented to the soldier into his kingdom, and they fixed a date to call him into a large arena. At that time, the judges decided that each girl should be put out behind the door. They noticed everything about the girl's age, the skin, everything they noticed when they put or when they told the girl to put behind the door. At that time, princess knows that where there is a tiger and where there is a girl. Is he told to the prince or a soldier? Yes. The princess went away. The boy taken to the large arena, the soldier taken into the large arena. At that time, the princess was sitting beside of his father, and everybody's eyes are locked on the soldier that which door he was chosen. The arena was full of people. Many people come from the far countries also come to see that what was happening. At that time, the princess symbolized him. The princess signed him that the right side. Is the soldier choose the right side or not? Let's see into this video. Now, the point of the story is this. Did the tiger come out of that door, or did the lady? At last, the soldier chose the right door, as symbolized by the princess. Now, all are waiting there to open the door. All are eager, all are curious that when the door was opened, what will come out? Is the tiger come out, or is the lady come out? The more we reflect upon this question, the harder it is to answer. The more we reflect what to do, the harder it is to answer. If anyone asks you that what should we come out, the lady come out or a tiger come out, then you go and get a lady. But if the lady come out, is the soldier maybe fall in love with him, with her? Is the princess easily accept her as her lover's wife? What should be the answer? If you think more deeper, more reflective, the answer becomes very harder. It involves a study of human heart, which leads us through deviance mazes. It means clever. Deviance of patience. It means a clever system of path, out of which it is difficult to find our way. What was happened with him? It is difficult to find it. Think of it. Fair, Peter. Fair. Justice. Fair, it means justice. Think of it. A patient out of which it is difficult to find out way. Fair leader. Not as if the decision of the question depended upon yourself. It is not easy that the answer is dependent by yourself. But upon that hot-blooded, semi-barbaric princess, her shawl at a wide heat beneath and combined fires of despair and jealousy. She had no training. But who should have him? At that time, there is a description of the princess, how she was looked at that time and symbolized to the soldier. She was hot-blooded. Hot-blooded means angry. She was angry at that time. She was furious at that time because he could not do anything to his father, and his lover is going to be someone else. That's why her blood was hotted. Semi-barbaric princess. At a wide heat beneath, combined fire, it means he was shitting on on a large arena with a beautiful chair. But beneath the beautiful chair, her heart was burning of fire, of despair and jealousy. It means upset, shed, and jealousy. It means angry. She had lost him. But who should have been? A tiger or a girl? How often in her waking hours and in her dreams, whenever she was waking or she was in sleeping, she just dreamed about the soldier. She had started in wild horror. Now, her horror is started. She is afraid that if she would lose him and covered her face with her hand, she could not see that, and that's why she covered her face with her hand. As she thought of her lover, opening the door on the other side of which waited the cruel fangs of tiger. It means she symbolized to me there is a tiger. Here we can see that her jealousy, her anger was in so high position that she could not see that her lover become someone else. And that's why she symbolized him to open a door where there is a tiger. And that's why when the soldier symbolized that open the right side door, she could not see that if the tiger come at any time and eat him. She had lost him, but who should have him? Often in her waking and her dreams. Had she started to wild horror and covered her face with her hand, as she thought of her lover opening the door on the side, which waited was cruel forms of tiger. Let's go ahead. But how much often had she him at the other door? At the same time, she also assumed that what will happen if the soldier choose the second door. How in her grievous grief. How in her grievous reverence had she grandson. It means grandfather. She grandstood her teeth. At that time, she joined the teeth and put a band on it. Tone her hair. She tone the hair. When she showed his start and rapturous delight as he opened the door of the lady. At that time, she could not handle herself to just thinking out that if the soldier chose a door where there is a girl, what should be done with her? How her soul had burned in an agony. Great pain or suffering. It was a great pain of suffering. It means she was in great pain of suffering, just put out that his lover would be someone else. She had seen him rush to meet that woman with her fluffing cheek and sparkling eye of Trempo. Trempo, it means being victim. She want to meet the woman. How? Flushing cheek, sparkling eye of Trempo. At that time, she assumed that how the girl was looking behind her. At that time, she assumed that the girl was speaking because of the silence, because she met the dream boy, and her eyes are sparkling because of the dream boy to be. When she had seen him, led her forth, his whole frame kindled with joy of recovered life. At that time, her life would be very easy, her life would be very recovered life to gain a very handsome boy in his life, in her life. When she had heard the grand shouts from the multitude and the wild ringing of the happy bell, at that time, she also assumed the atmosphere. How was the atmosphere when the girl met to the soldier? The atmosphere is like that. The flame kindled of joy. Everyone are in joy, kindled. Of recovered life, when she had heard the glad sounds of the multitude and wild ringing of the happy bell. All the bells are ringing happily at that time. When she had seen the priest who come there to marry them, to wed them, with his joyous followers, advanced to the couple and made them a man, wife before her very eyes. At that time, she had to see that her lover become someone else into her eyes only. And when she had seen them walk away together upon their path of flower, they walk on together, walk upon a flower's path, followed by the tremendous sound of the hilarious multitude. All are very happy to see that the soldier would not die in the mouth of the tiger. And that's why the atmosphere is happy. All are happy, all are making noise, all are shouting of joy. The bells are ringing, there are flowers in their hearts, everything. In which her indescribable spirit was lost and drawn. At that time, when she was thinking about that, her sorrow shrank out and she was gone and drawn. She cannot imagine further that what will happen. Let's see what will happen with him ahead. At that time, she could not assume more, she could not imagine more, and she was disappearing between sadness and lost into the drawn. She was sitting there as she was drawn into. Next, would it not be better for him to die at once, or go to wait for her in the blessed region of semi-barbaric futurity? Futurity means future time. What would it not be better for him? For him it means to soldier. What was not better for the soldier? To die at once if the tiger comes on the door and it would eat him. It is good, or go to wait for her in the blessed region. And he went into the another region, he went into the another area. Region it means area. There is a difference between religion and region. Religion in Gujarati we say that Dharma, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, and region it means area. Pradesh in Gujarati. what would the soldier did? Is he went into the another region, or he would die at once with the tiger? In future, it means he had to flee away from that area and he should wait for the princess till she come. And yet that awful tiger, those streams, that blood. And at that time, she deeply again went into the thought that how was the tiger awful? It means very fearful. Streams, that blood, and she was, the tiger was so hungry that in the blood, her decision had been indicated in an instant. Whatever decision taken by her, it was an instant decision, and it indicated that it had been made after days and nights of anxiety. It means in great pain. The nights of anxiety, whatever decision taken by her, it was taken after the long thinking. She had known she would be asked. She had decided what would answer. And without slight hesitation, she had moved her hand to the right. She already knew that the soldier asked him at which door chosen by him. And at that time, without hesitation, without thinking, she symbolized her. She signed him that to the right side door. What was that? It is not known by anyone. The question of her decision is one not to be lightly considered. And it is not for me to presume to set myself up as a person able to answer it. The question of the decision, which decision she was taken, is not to be lightly. It is not easy. Lightly it means here easy. Considered, and it is not for me to presume to set myself. It is not easy for me also to see them together as one person able to answer it. I think no one can answer the question. And so I leave with all of you. And the lesson is completed with the question that the right side symbolized by the princess. But what is that? Who is that? Is there a tiger or is there a boy? Which came out of the open door, the lady or a tiger? And that's why the title of the nation is appropriate with a question mark that nobody knew that is there a tiger or there a lady. Because the lesson is completed with a question only. You can assume with yourself whether there is a tiger, whether there is a girl. You have to assume by the princess' mind. You have to assume by the soldier's mind. Again, repeated the last paragraph. The question of our decision is one not to be lightly considered. It means we cannot take it lightly, we cannot consider it lightly. And it is not for me to presume to set myself. It is not easy for me to easily take it out that the soldier would marry with another girl in front of my eyes. It is not presumed for me as one person able to answer. It means I cannot give this answer. I am not able to give this answer. And so I live with it, all of you. And that's why the writer put the answer on ourselves. It means on reader. Whatever answer comes come on our mind, we can assume, we can end with this story. Which came out of the open door, lady or tiger? Who will come out with the open door? Is the lady come out from the open door or the tiger come out from the open door? And that's why we can see that in the tiger there is a question mark. Why there is a question mark? Because the tiger left the end on the leader. What will be the end? The tiger should come out from there or the lady should come out from the door. The answer is dependent on our side. The answer is dependent on us. And that's why the tiger put a question mark at the end of the question. How was the girl? The girl was jealous, angry, tension in her eyes, sorry, blind, trust on the girl. The girl thought a lot before taking the decision. She also went out from the mental trauma. What to do? And the soldier blindly trusted on the girl. What to do? At that time, there is a line in the narration that the soldier should wait for her out of semi-partic vision. Till she come. It means at that time she also symbolizes the third option that we are not thinking. The first option is that there is a tiger. The second option is that there is a girl. And the princess symbolizes about the third option that flee away from that prison. I will come back and give you. So I think, according to my point of view, the answer is that the girl or the princess would deeply love in with the soldier. She symbolized the last that fled out from here. I will come to meet you after that prison. Away that prison. I think it is the answer. It is the symbolize of the girl. And the title is appropriate here because there is two options only in the semi-barbaric reason. Either there is a tiger or there is a girl. And she symbolizes the third option to the soldier and they would be happily living that. I think that is the end of the story. I imaged the end of the